Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 11 build and free disk space, then install a trusted live wallpaper app. Once done, open the app and grant requested permissions so animations can run at startup and access media. Make sure File Explorer and Power Settings permit background activity, otherwise wallpapers may pause. You'll also pick between built-in packs or import your own video or animated GIF. This gets you from 0 to having the app ready to configure. Now you configure the wallpaper itself. Select a video, GIF, or interactive scene and preview it on one monitor. Once selected, adjust playback options, looping, mute or enable sound, frame rate, and a power-saving performance mode to limit CPU/GPU use. Make sure to assign which display gets the live wallpaper when you have multiple monitors. Also, set Start with Windows if you want persistence after reboot, and test briefly to confirm smooth playback and acceptable battery or CPU impact. Finalize by saving your configuration and verifying the wallpaper survives a restart and sleep cycle. Once done, check how it behaves on battery versus plugged in, make adjustments for power. If you run into issues, stutters, blank desktop, or high CPU, first try low power mode or replace with a lower resolution video. Make sure GPU drivers are updated and background apps are allowed in settings. If problems persist, disable overlays and test with a different wallpaper file to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.